Hello students, today we are going to do the sum in which all the past adjustment will be recovered. Okay, so I am reading question. Meeta and Usha are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio 2:3. Their capital account as on 1st of April 2015 showed a balance of rupees 1,40,000 and rupees 1,20,000 respectively. The drawings of Meeta and Usha during the year 2015-16 were 32,000 and 24,000 respectively. Both the amounts were withdrawn on 1st of January. It was subsequently found that the following items had been omitted while preparing the final account for the year ended 31st March 2016. Interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum. Interest on drawings at the rate of 6% per annum. Meeta was entitled to a commission of rupees 8,000 for the whole year. Showing your working note clearly, pass a rectifying entry in the books of firm. Student, in this question, we are having all the adjustment together. Interest on capital, omission of interest on capital, omission of interest on drawing, and any remuneration if we are not providing to the partners. First, we should keep in our mind that whenever we are having any of the omission by which partners' capitals are increasing, so the ratio of profit is increasing of all the partners. Suppose interest on capital, interest on drawing and remuneration. Interest on capital if we have omitted, commission if we have omitted, it means this amount will increase the profit of partners. And because of one partner, if we have omitted the amount for the one partner, the remaining partner will also enjoy the profit which is not their profit. So now we have prepared the column first for the general entry and second columns for the adjustment table. Always prepare general entry column first, format first, and then adjustment table. Okay? Student, you keep in your mind very nicely that past adjustment every year question is coming of 4 marks, 6 marks. So this topic is very important. So you prepare yourself as much as stronger for the past adjustment. So now, according to question, first Meeta and Usha. So I have prepared the column particular for Meeta and for Usha. This column is for firm. Meeta and Usha are partners in the ratio 2:3. They are sharing their profit in the ratio 2:3. Now, what we have omitted first, interest on capital, which we have not credited in their capital. So first we will write interest on capital should be credited. Interest on capital should be credited. So first, interest on capital. Capitals of the partners are 1,40,000 and 1,20,000. So 1,40,000 6 by 100 6% and 1,20,000 6 by 100. So amount will come 8,400 for Meeta and 7,200 for Usha. So for Meeta, 1,40,000 into 6 by 100 6% rate of interest on capital 8,400, and for Usha 1,20,000 into 6 by 100 7,200. This we are going to credit in the partner's capital account. So 15,600 we will write in minus as in bracket because this will increase the partner's capital, so firm will go in minus. Now next, interest on drawings should be debited. Interest on drawing should be debited, which means when interest on capital we are giving, it means it is increasing the capital of partner, and as interest on drawings is decreasing the capital of partner. So we are going to reduce the from here and from here. So date is giving of withdrawn 1st of January. As the date is giving 1st of January, which means only for the 3 months we are going to calculate interest on drawings. Drawing of both the partner is given. Meeta's drawing is given 32,000 and Usha's drawing is given 24,000. So 32,000 into 6 by 100, the rate which is given in the question, and into 3 by 12. So if we will calculate 32,000 into 6 by 100 into 3 by 12, 480, and 24,000 6 by 100 into 3 by 12 will come 360. Okay, 360 and 480. 360 and 480. So we will write here minus 480 and 360. As the partners are going in minus, then the firm will go in plus. Total of 840 and 360. Sorry, 480 and 360 is 840. Now we have credited interest on capital, debited interest on drawing, and the commission which is not credited in the Meeta's account. So we have to give commission to Meeta also. So we will write here Meeta's commission should be credited. Only it is written for Meeta, so we are going to provide commission to Meeta only. उषा का यहाँ कोई लेना देना नहीं है, इसीलिए हम उषा के इसमें क्या लगाएंगे? We will put one single dash. Okay, and as the partner is going in plus, so firm will go in minus. जब भी पार्टनर्स को कुछ देना है तो फर्म से लेना है, और जब पार्टनर से कुछ लेना है तो फर्म को देना है. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. सो वी विल ड्रॉ वन लाइन हियर, and after drawing a line we will calculate this. So 8 16,000 16,400 and 16,400 minus 480 is equals to 15,920, and 7,200 minus 360 6,840. This also we have to calculate. 15,000 plus 8,000 23,600 minus minus plus, and 840 will go in the negative, so minus का आ जाएगा 22,760. Clear? So in front of this you will write right share. ये correct share था जो कि हम करना भूल गए. So now we need to correct it. That is why I am writing here right share. And when the firm is omitted this all the things of rupees 22,760, so the profit of the partners have increased by 22,760, which is wrong share. And this 22,760 they have distributed among the partners. In 2,760 they have distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio, which is 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. So that we need to take back. So 22,760 into 2 by 5, 9,104, which will go in minus because we have given wrong, and 13,656 in minus. So now firm will go in plus 22,760. Earlier also I told, whenever the firm is going in nil, it means your 80% of question is correct. So now only we need to see which partner will go in debit and which partner will go in credit. क्रेडिट में जाएगा मीन्स पार्टनर को और देना है, क्रेडिट और डेबिट में आएगा मीन्स उस पार्टनर से हमें लेना है, बट बोथ द पार्टनर अमाउंट शुड बी सेम. अगर दो ही पार्टनर है तो दोनों का सेम आएगा. तीन है तो माइट बी दो का टोटल मिला के एक आएगा, बट एवरी डेबिट विल हैव करस्पॉन्डिंग क्रेडिट. ओके, so now we will calculate if we will minus 15,920 9,104 from 15,920, so 6,816 will come in plus, and 13,656 में से अगर हम 6,840 को माइनस करें तो it will come in minus 6,816. So whomsoever is coming in the plus item, it will go in credit. जो भी प्लस में आ रहा है उसको क्रेडिट करना है और जो माइनस में आ रहा है उसको क्या करना है, डेबिट. विच मीन्स वी आर गोइंग टू गिव 6,816 to Meeta and we are going to take from Usha 6,816. Clear? So now we will pass journal entry with this. So this journal entry we will pass on 31st of March 2020. So journal entry will be Usha's capital account debit, Usha's capital account DR to Meeta's capital account. So 6,816 and 6,816. Narration you can write being these adjustment, because there are many adjustment, so directly you can write being adjustments omitted by firm now rectified. Okay, so here you will write narration. One more time I am explaining. Those who have not got in first time, you please listen it very carefully. First, interest on capital. In the question it is clearly mentioned that we have omitted to give interest on capital. That is why interest on capital should be credited. So capital of Meeta is rupees 1,40,000. 1,40,000 into 6 by 100, and capital of Usha is 1,20,000. So what we will do, 1,20,000 into 6 by 100. Okay, so now total किया दोनों का 15,600 फॉर्म माइनस में चला गया बिकॉज हम इन दोनों को देना है. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग शुड बी डेबिटेड. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग कैलकुलेट किया एज द डेट इज गिवन 1st of January. So we are going to charge interest on drawing only for 3 months. So amount of drawing they have given 32,000 and 24,000. 32,000 into 6 by 100 into 3 by 12. And 24,000 into 6 by 100 into 3 by 12. 480 and 360 total लगाया 840. Afterwards the commission of Meeta's only commission. Meeta will get commission only. So here Meeta's commission should be credited. So only in Meeta account I have provided commission and the firm will go in minus as the capital of Meeta will increase here. Okay. So this was the right things which they all have omitted. So again right share 8,400 plus 8,000 minus 480 15,920 7,200 minus 360 तो 6,840. So now minus minus दोनों को प्लस किया, इसमें से ये कम किया तो 22,760 will come in minus. This was the right share and this share because of the omission of this all they have distributed among the partners in their ratio 2:3. So now we need to rectify it. That is why the wrong share which they have distributed wrongly. So 22,760 into 2 by 5, so 9,104 and 22,760 into 3 by 5, 13,656. So now we will calculate which partner will come in plus and which partner will come in minus. So the partner who will come in plus, that partner will go in credit side in journal entry. The partner who will come in minus, that partner will come in debit side in journal entry. So now we will pass general entry. General entry we will pass on 31st of March 2020. So Usha's capital account debit to Meeta's capital account 6,816 and 6,860. I hope you understood it nicely. So please practice it once again. So it will be better for you. One more question I am giving. In this question, Mohan, Vijay and Anil are partners. The balances of their capital accounts being 30, 25 and 20,000 respectively. In arriving at this amount, profit for the year ended 31st March 2019, 24,000 had already been credited to the partners in the proportion in which they shared a profit. Their drawings were 5,000, 4,000, 3,000 during the year. Subsequently, following omissions were there. IOC नहीं है और IOD भी नहीं है. Okay, so now what you will do? First, in this question, you will calculate opening capital as we have learned in the 11th standard. Okay, opening capital is equals to capital at the end, which is given in the question, drawings which is also given in the question, and profit of ₹24,000 जो कि प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो नहीं दिया है, तो दैट विल बी इक्वल 1:1:1 फॉर पार्टनर्स. ओके, सो ड्राइंग प्लस करोगे, प्रॉफिट माइनस करोगे तो ओपनिंग कैपिटल आएगा. ओपनिंग कैपिटल आई एम टेलिंग यू बिकॉज यू विल डू क्वेश्चन आफ्टर दैट. 27,000 फॉर M, 21 for V and 15,000 for A. Okay, after calculating the opening capital, what you will do, you will make again the format for the journal and format for the adjustment table. Profit wrongly credited, again you will take back 8,000 8,000 8,000 ले लेना. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग चार्ज कर देना, दे रखा है डायरेक्टली. देन IOC जो आप ओपनिंग कैपिटल निकालोगे उस पर 10% निकाला, विच मीन्स 2,700, 2,100 and 1,500. And afterwards whatever profit you will get, and that amount will be nil in the firms column. तो जो भी आंसर आएगा, सपोज इसमें 18,300 आएगा, उसको आप तीनों में बराबर बांटना, डिफरेंस कैलकुलेट करना और जनरल एंट्री फ्रेम करना. यू विल गेट योर आंसर. सो प्लीज़ डू इट नाइसली. इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग, यू प्लीज़ आस्क. So it will be better for you. Thank you.